Reure. Because it is still Thursday. Lest we forget, it's so kanahari azuza. You see, growing up, for the majority of us who have gone through the school system, harima odwanu taga. You see, harimo na one matigaine. There were the all out. There were the calm ones and the collected ones. Actually, kwa mwalimu on duty, ona adu magifure rata odari odwari me.
Leo kaide ni mood. Weda maudu maigi.
Ona ni haki nya wiki gatagati. Okay, you authorities ya exact modu ogi. Todu ni ona reu. Authority is not being.
Kwena laxity.
Heavy laxity. Ona ni maigua ito madi. Already ama nimukero this week. Mrs. Massey and Mrs. Stacy, we shall be on duty. I don't know why you are clapping.
What is the joy?
You consider them a dentate, toothless mammals. Anake is taking over. Okay, because of the way you are now behaving, Mrs. Massey and Mrs. Stacy shall be helped on duty by Mr. Bogo. Can you shut up? Shut up! Nisikia hiyo nainai hapa. Arimu A matigaine.
Dakahede your Bogo is breathing fire.
Seething fire is baying for your blood. Alodia muigi ya Moko le mutu mosi yoromo athabi.
Alodia gegereri huru ona kamudoja. Akuone jogo adiru nawe.
Mwaigwa Bogo gegere tigitira kaida nona andu. Tutwara twekuria ke.
Irathi. Ikeguthu oguo. Akuone ja.
Na ndungihituka nake hakuhi. Ni ugere oku. Na kuonie ke.
Da kuhonia maitho. Okay, we are Ngoni. I saw you walking.
I saw you.
And pocketing.
You lazy boy. Who do you think you are? Hii shule ni ya mama yako.
Kuja hapa.
You are very arrogant. Those were rhetorical rude questions. Na mwalimu akile homework ni mwamenya what type of the first impression. Well, we have a new teacher. Maybe she shall be given an opportunity to say hi to you
and introduce herself.
Yes, she was previously at Cargo Vili. Now she has come to a mixed school. Maybe she can even, and her class was performing very well. Maybe she will bring their secrets here because our performance in English has been dismal. Right from the word, you know, if he is the big fish connoisseur,
the dragon slayer.
Yes, the connoisseur. Yes. What do you idea? As you have been told, my name is Benjamin Brady, and I don't pray.
Umeongea hivyo na ni siku ya kwanza.
When it comes to academics, I don't compromise. Learning is mandatory for anyone who signed the school rules and regulations of this school to be in this institution must abide by those rules.
That's our business here.
Our core business here is not to make friends and laugh at each other. So, Principal, thank you very much. I am looking forward to sharpening these young brains.
There's a new sheriff.
Yeah, the big fish connoisseur has stamped his authority. The Viking is in town.
I expect maximum cooperation.
Yes. You might have heard what I did with the boys from Kanyuabora if you have been reading the news.
First impression muthenya wa mbere.
Yes.
When I look around, I can see familiar faces.
Yes.
We have met during district ball games.
Yes.
I know some of you.
I know some of you who I expelled from a school I was in. Mulifikiria tutapatana well. Look who's laughing now.
Here I am.
Sasa tutapelekana. Vile inafaa. Na mnanikumbuka, si ndio Matthew?
Oi.
Karibu leo Gathaiya ndutire.
Gathaiya Kiria magego-inĩ ma njũi ya wanginyĩra rĩngĩ.
Choge njũi.
Ũkorwo warĩ kũndũ ũkĩheo G.
Yes.
Ũgena nĩwe wakũingatire. Ũkũ wathamĩire.
Does calamity follow you like a shadow? It lingers and hovers. I know those teachers. They would, your future was very important to them. They're very strict. No wakiriari muriwa ahoreru. Atari maundu maingi. Ocio ndatinanagira na. Ana wacoga kirathi. Agogokeria.
Never. We lala.
Agafundithia. We ogiokira ri kwaje ogiokiria kirathi urute mieu ni ugukundi cungite ikai. Oria kama mwathire ko. Ale kirie.
Na mutina njokeria.
Ucio ndokiragia ndogu ya mundu rathomera cu.
Ndirathoma kainukia gwake.
Aje makura wagwa nduragwa gwakenja.
We Guka.
The government here tells me to teach. I teach you. You don't want to be taught? Mimi sio mimi nitakuwa baba ya watoto wako. Wewe ndio utawasa uambukize hiyo ujinga.
Na uzebe.
Nani mocho nimekira modo kagiri tokona the future must be very dark. Sasa wewe ni msichana mdogo umeanza kulala kwa darasa, unangojea mwalimu akuamshe. Kwa sababu ndio atakuamsha ukienda kuomba vibarua vya shamba. Kwa sababu hukusoma, uenda kufanya kazi ya sieleweki.
Mimi utanipita tu hapa.
Na unajua mimi nitakuwa nikifundisha tu niko na miaka ingine 35 ya practice. Nitakuwa nikikuja hapa. Wewe huko hivyo unalala.
Unamesa uthagereria dirisha-inĩ majirani ya mariga-inĩ na cukuru. Aweka kule andu mugunda. Wabia waboi. Unaona wale kwa shamba? Hizo kasi sinakugoja. Wewe lala tu.
Sinakugojea wewe. Tayarisha kashiri. Kale kapaga kadogo. Oko naye mwalimu wa Gathaiya Ngari. And she's very calm. Kuna mare shi. Kinyake ana matathi waigua. Yes, Fatima Ngoni. Congratulations, but you have slept for your last time you had 90 what? 96. Why do you have 92 this time?
Ilikuwa gumu.
But it's still all good. Akinya leo hari nywele just ya this. Mere mukami. You only got marks.
08.
I'm asking you. How many?
08.
You must be very proud of yourself.
Kainama.
You are going to go holding this on your forehead all the way home. Si ndio utaenda kuonyesha baba yako ile kazi yote amekuwa, na baba yako anakuaga washman wa Ihiga Girls. Hii ndio analaga usiku akikutafutia halali.
Ukaigua kumwira unaenda sana.
Sasa baba yako halali. Usiku ni washman, mchana ako shamba. Wewe ni 08. You must be very happy. Hebu jipigie makofi. Clap for yourself.
Ukaga energy yako hura ruhi.
Na wewe ni kulala tu kwa darasa. Unangoja mwalimu akuamshe.
Na kuletea wengine mahidi ya kushoma.
Ask yourself, kwa sababu nakuonaga na wanaume hapa mkiongea. Can you show your boyfriend this marks? That boyfriend nakuonaga nae, does he know you are this stupid?
Hiyo ni kuchoma.
Kwa sababu angejua sasa sidhani anaweza kuconsider even another day. This is dismal.
08.
08. And you are literate. Uko na maswali mingi sana ya kujiuliza. Enda.
Ukamba ugathi ugethikira waikara thi.
Ona na ngane marendera eteria nginya muthe. No rĩu ũgakena tondũ nĩ wona heo ngĩ wĩ hau kũrũmĩrĩire ena 02 Young man, hii dunia inataka wanaume wako na akili. Hii hata wazimu wengine wapatagi.
Nilikuwa mgonjwa.
Kagojeka akili. Ugonjwa inakuvutia anentana 98% unapata 0. Haya hivi mimi sina, I don't have the energy right now. Sika karatasi yako utanikumbuka siku moja. Na leo mbona naikara ukalilika na mwalimu tojo kaga no these two issues are not associated.
They are not related in any way.
No. I'm overthinking. Yes. You see, levels of security, sitiare iguru.
Asa naguo uicire.
Yes.
Ndwakihanaga uici atene ndwakihanaga o muthi.
And then again, tau wala tukuriye rugongori. Ita ciako iyo ciare nyingi.
Riu niki ungiaire tiga irio.
Tia ingi mai na kindu mangiyo.
Lega sine kindu gia kuria.
The only thing actually you used to listen out to was livestock. So now muiru bori. It was rare. Tio uigu ati thikusha ni maio nguruwe. Na jigu asiheagwo muratina ati ayo muratina ekiraki ati ekuwa kaba
no tena ni ubeji begire ke ngiaire
todo thufuri yari is the same one neighbor anyura huthi. Yes,
guo ndoia
todo nacio ne hinyu tena utitindo nyingi cia yago no korio kona shira wa mugunda matue kuria maratathi makora.
And that was serious crime.
No, that was now what do you call this, trespass? Yes. Let's security level cia tene. You see, when you compare to today, umuthi ni ukora na mundu ni areke arugiri kihingo amwe makaroni arugiri rwa thitima ngema yekira nginya ala murongo
wega biyo
wekira nginya ala na CCTV.
Yes.
Tena mucie mu magana mwatigagira mwathani
ona mukihoya nigetha andu matigane ri.
Yes. Mauga Kristo niwe twatiga muci uriku.
Niwe twatiga muci uyu. Muru wa mundu.
Muru wa mundu kundu guku.
Niwe wikuo.
Tukanyira kuvuri.
No murangiri munene.
And truly so. Because you would have no way practically of knowing what is going on at home. You don't have communication with the neighborhood. You just trust that Jehovah
is there.
Rebo bako dedicate nyumba
na akoraga kuria metha-ini ukandikago kandikago this home and is I think this home is guarded by the blood of Jesus Christ.
Yes. Ndio ndo metikagia muno mwathani ni atigairwo mici
muno
because ya ndo matihoya ya mumoro ye muno ni wakiarugiri
CCTV ni raruta
kamera sioni. Atuthie ni mwahinga na mwakanyira
ni wakanyira na wekira roko ni sawa
ndirakwira matuko mau matene maitagua tungumano yakauga ona arangeri maruta wira watu mwathani cothere tutiegia no hoti wa kuri handu aria matiagirwo mesie
marangire marangeri maruta na watu
na lemwe nginya no mwarora kiria kingiiwo ku mukona riu nyoko nake ni afotirie ngai muno
kuno ya ngai na maundu
ya muno iria soto no na kendo fari mukengire mikora
No ai kone muraumagara na mwena kindu ta ngiriti woro ri ni atiga yahithio gwa thoguo munini
hey ngiriti woro ni mukuhithia that's electronic na mugatiga mwa wore kwa thoguo munini ri kihi kimwe kiro kiman hours cia guku ingira nigo gikanyire ina ikarika kuhingurira rucini no nigo ko gwatigagirwo gaturume
ende ona witikio wari iguru muno
wari iguru ndu wari iguru na mwacokari ni mwacokari ukurikire nyumba kuma gwe gaturume
mwathani ni twakuhoire tukiumagara awa
no, people's faith have dwindled clearly
muno
mwathani sotheria tukiumagara kiumia kigima tutikoretwo twi guku
turari ona nyukie
ni twiritwo kuna kuma uria tuigirwo ni ngari haria Githunguri kuruku ni kurari na ngwa na heni
ona tukaigua kwa amacarie ni marari akore ni aici no awa urarora kundu guku
ni mane tukuranite ate kuria we urarangira ni ruirigo rurumu akawekinya kora ingeiyo kwina rugiri rwa mahiga
na kaiaba
gwito no kweya maruru
kana maigirire kiugo-ini
mwathani no kia witu ni utufarite ng'ombe citũ ti hũtu na safi o harĩa tũraigĩte kĩhũa-inĩ no twacikora gaturume kega. No, the levels of security are very low.
Very low.
You safi ya ukihoi. Yes. Mwathani. Leto igwa ngoro citũ cia kwambararia muno. Na cia kũngũia.
Na twanyiha mbere yaku.
Tondũ ũyũ Jehova Kristo gaturume kega ũyũ nĩguo hotani kuna. People don't pray like that anymore.
Thikũ ici andũ nĩmehokire ningĩ maũndũ ma gũkũ thĩ.
People are casual with prayers. Yes. Nĩ mwani na ndagĩka 30 mweka umagara. Dedicating the entire homestead to heaven's custody
and safety.
Yes. Yeah, actually you even used to almost instruct the heavens to maraika.
Marakire mũciĩ ũyũ.
Maraika awa tuhe nginya wa mũrango-inĩ tondũ kuburi nĩ tũgũkanyĩra. No we wĩ kuburi rĩta master guo gatũrũme kega.
Ingoragwo nĩ cabingi. Na kuburi ĩrĩa mũrandedikĩtĩra nĩ yakũrire nginya yahingũrwo no nginya yumane body.
Ahĩona nĩ hingũrwo kahiũ karĩa kanoretwo over the years rĩ agacekeha nĩ kamĩhingũraga. Rĩu mwakinya mũciĩ mwambaga kũrora farm input kana nĩ njie mwakora ithanwa rĩ sawa rĩ
mũkamenya kũndũ gwĩ sawa.
Yes. Yarĩ ũmũthĩ atĩ wethaa nginya andũ a gũcekiua nyũmba matukũ maitũ yatigagĩrwo igũrũ rĩerũ.
Yes. Na mũgathiĩ na mũgacoka
wega biũ. Mwoka mwakora gũkirĩte ki and you had no idea what is going on when you are away. Gũtirĩ njĩra ya kũmenya.
Aca.
Yes.
Na CCTV atĩ nĩ mũgũ play back.
Atĩ nĩ mũkuona real time muone ndũ. Ona gwoka mweko mũrathire rĩ gwoka mũndũ umĩte na rũgongo mũkamenya rĩu nĩ mwagĩa update. Gũkĩhana atĩa kũu Gamasi. Nake ndĩonete hau ĩ ndĩramacuka kwĩ njũru. Nĩ njũru nake no ihĩndĩ rĩmwe acio matigoka kũu rĩngĩ.
Ihurumũra rĩrĩa marahurumũrirwo
ndĩrakwĩrwo mweri nĩwona ihĩndĩ rĩrĩa haha wĩtagwo mũrĩngo ũrĩa mũndũ eragwo oka wa nyina he ũrakonyĩirwo mũrĩngo ũcio kau matingĩterema ũguo twĩ kũndũ kũu kũu rĩ Ndakwira ai magereko ko kirete Andrea kirai muratigite rio ire ndona ni gukua
na tabu mwatigire muhinguriire gutari mai ndiratiga ndamihinga
ni marabokire turakiona ni handu ha muri he biro icio ciothe ri ona ko ni ma tutarihagio goro ma wairago ri
mwesegi
wairago ni aturehire mai kuria kianda gia gwitu ma kurima ti makunywa ni makurima na mera ithibio maria wagamagana igana kana mere mwe ndeguo ko ni mufrethi wa wairago ri ona cio no bia ekali nikania nyina akali du verse 3 ya Mahoya ega dirikano hiyo wa mwana ucio sitikagie na kiunuhu
Ewa
thuka nacieherio itheri yao Mariano ni thungura mami mwana ni akiri uhio Jehova oirigo rwega okay now nginya ukagia confidence they are now safe
very safe
ni akorwa situira mithunga
na mengei
ya gusitiriria matuko macio na tuteuko twikundukore
Cambodia Top Kialans Kenya.
You know, I was shopping for a good camera the other day, and I realized camera sigoro cia video.
No, camera riu professional ri.
Yes.
Sitiumanga bia nini.
Uri ndiro ni ani directly hari ciganona. Ndakimura ni aruria. You see like the Sony PXW. This is the 6K version. Ni 1.7 camera.
1.7K
million.
1.7.
One camera.
Pulimio jero.
Yes.
Jero chua.
Yes. No, they are very expensive. Another list here. They have the Sony what? There's another Sony. So also an expensive model. The Canon EOS C300 Mark III. The digital one. It's 1.65. It's not a big camera. You don't know. Yes. It's now the Canon EOS C300, the Mark III, 1.3 million. Leo ona amena makamera gukuri. Ujua anakuwa amebeba pesa. You see back then, camera cio koro uguo ri. Of course there was the all out cyber shot.
Kau kare popular.
Kwa ikia rugongo mahikire mundu ni undu wa kamera kau.
Cyber shot.
Tondu gakio ne karutaga eta ondu lens.
Lens.
Leo mame zeta na ina taima. Leo mwe mathia ni mwambia gira kahiga.
Bugaseta.
Bugatengera hau. Kaba.
You see, nekambire gakihumura andu ukombo wa riri.
Wa filimu
nago etagirira muhuri wa bica agoka kumuhura.
Exactly. Ga cyber shot na nikamemure ka ndiri. Nikari ya rugongo.
Wega plopper.
Yes.
Plopper.
And some people who are in the stable marriages know that they were lured by that. So wa roka fia no koni how. Okoni how beautiful the future
is.
The future is radiant.
No, na andu aria mendete riu ni kuri andu generally mendete bica.
Yes.
Tondu yo makagurire muno.
Many people love photos.
Yes. No, ni maigua wega muno.
Nyine ndagurite yakwa ndakagurite almost 52,000. A good Sony one that had I think 40 times optical zoom. Aikio shoro ini ne thoita na kehuro. Kai kirio jagi ne pu.
Akenyua kiriondo.
But there was a breed. Aro ngora magurire riri. There were cameras that don't kana andore matoyo horo camera ne mekunyita. Keo getoka mini DV.
Mini DV, I know it.
Yes. Mini DV ne keo kali riri. Handu hakuharukia guoko. No akunura mweno ukena screen. Kona kiri urarekodi. Riu akanyita go.
Ta doro feo.
Andu Kauna kore ne kahirithia airetu. No, I think that was the first TikTok.
That TikTok ya mbere.
Yes. Rugongo.
Uwe mundu akaharukitie guoko kuore oguo.
Yes.
Na haria lensi-ini ri ngakona gakuniko.
Gagacuha gatiuma view. Wakunwa gacu.
Ugaga suspend.
Yes. No kono gisa gya kwanyu ni okari. Riu we kuria mathiko-ini ri. You have the right of way na niragira mbere ya muthikafu.
Na mohikini.
Yes.
And social events.
Yes.
Ona nikuragio ka Ngoni atakinyite.
That's the thing.
No tuaga mbica cia Moko. Niwe tuaga thenema.
No, the girls would love you. They would have no choice. Kojeru head mekaga. Ona ni grab attention yanyu ri. The cascade is called the monitor. Ayakogokia kidogo akahutia.
Mwagona tare bio ke yothe.
Mona tare ile ke TN yothe rogongo. Todo yakire ya mbere guka riu commercial after KBC. Mini DV.
Dewe dagia guoya.
Koratha kawe. Atika kwaja kwina atiru family muna maundu ma family. Hari umwe wa family anyu wa muoyaga, and I don't know where they used to take those videos. You never used to see them again.
Ndo dagake athiete ogu akamuya na raini kareke raini ya mbere
and they make you do very stupid things. Leka. Eko.
Ni ugecokerera wa muraya
mere orarua ri. Dithemba. And then for those family members who took the initiative of saving and keeping those videos, mubarikiwe sana. Because those videos evoke a lot of good memories.
Ona kule andu macutire rwimbo video cia nyimbo na nyamu yo
yacutagwo gua uria Sam wari farori Simba Center actually ona mundu wothe nako wathi yako we mwini mweru. I had Zabike talk about it. We mwini mweru wathi yako riu umete gicagi ndu wona kanya mutakau ukaigirwo gitambaya ukiro aya ina Wai nari. Okay, oro shoke thutha thiko tariki imwe. Wakwa riu uraini oragite miruthi.
Na iria.
Okay, no re iria ina na okora ne ria hoka mbere yaku. No, that camera used to sell fear.
Mini DV.
The mini DV.
Na heka muhuko yakoragwo nako.
Yes.
We ne wakoragwo na right of way anywhere.
Right of way. Na actually kungianjirie guthuthua ri. You just used to signal. Mundu oka na iburi. Ndugakiurithirie ceceni.
TV station.
Hey, the media establishment. The fourth estate.
That was before TikTok.
That was the TikTok. Wona mundu na muiki agacuretie haho. Wakamenya maharuka iruiro irati na mathio yakahingicwo ati thiko yo video. nathi guthukirio muturire
kenda na 50
rugongo very conservative they do matitemana yaciu ndi athi guthukirio muturire
you
Sandy wakababa
Kenu data spokesman wa witeithia yes ambassador of witeithia etia Kenu kuigua kairi tukuga tu witeithia no he kumenya ugare
kona ndaikara na kuthika rodi au kimenyera kuui
uyu ndangimenya ai Ekibundi wa githero uhoro ucio no wakubakia muno te mundu toy wite
ya ngodagiria ginya kumihingira witeithia
ndagire thirikari igire muri twendi tugathi kuona nyamu tu kabanya muri twendi maraigire ni magatuhingurira ni muri twendi ni Saturday kana Friday no Saturday tukone nyamu tu ndonire waziri ni araugire hende tutikare hiyo kuona nyamu ithuĩ tumenyete guciona witeithia ndakana expect andu awiteithie gukite okamung'ethia tutiregaine turonagira guku makorido-ini ndigite no mera murakembite gwikira thi gingi haria ngeraga ndakiona uciguze mulima ithiini wa thama bibilia-ini uciguze mulima thiini wa thama 19 kamuharika 12 tukahutie na ndukaworote ni urathi wega riu akona wanjitie guthoma kirikaniro ho thama Exodus 19 12 hau
no ni heka undu rarikiriria riu ga uthraiten to ne rauga riu hau ekirikiria ni rauga riu yaragi horo wa kirima kiria gia Sinai so ni ibuku ria thama he andu wirakeria kauga atiru uri kuhutia kirima kiu atu isa kaibo au hena thiriti kaibo ira thraiten ya wesia no gwetherera tondu kirikaniro you see maundu mothe mahapena gathi no ri gutiri undu mugeni kirikaniro-ini ungiururia kirikaniro ri everything is captured boy ni samido tukoragi nake ahanja rucio niguo twina Gara Big Voices Gara season 4 ni ndamiambiriirie na samido amebeti ndi ko DMC wayo yale choma zone ya roiro ndaga gukano ndari arahona wega mwana ucio no turathi na mbena kumutwarira gathubu guoko gukihone ne kuigua wega hata kuja chaba cha msaki ko ni arahota kuria ri mwiri no kuria ndaro makanyamu yes ko ni arahota kuria mwiri no kuria wala zayo raju zaenga ya kuiga matuko waiga amina ukinye oroko ni kagana iri kega tuguceragira haria haku gitarukirwo cai agia miaka igana utanuka nginya ciuga ona riera oikao what a look at Ginyariera. And this is the trajectory of life. Life ends the way it started. Yes. Mundu akorari hego thiu hego ni ngai ugitheka no kirira ndumenyekaga no it's the same the way it starts oria mwana oragia atiriri baba unajua huyu kauga Gathaiya kaurorohe riu wako oragia guka uramenya huyu unajua nu ayo chimala kadwa it's products of life. It's a revolving cycle. Vile ilianza inaishia hivyo. Yes. Ona wewe watu mwana dunia watu mwoduka. Na geshokia. Ogo ndugu wako na mauya. Guketwa ile buroti na shoka. The same way it started is the way it ends. Vikija kadara inasoka ukagani sokete raini No, life starts the way. I'll give, when I have time, I will give you that analogy nicely.
Muthuri Joy wa haitu mwana wake aikarire wiki ria tathiite kumucerera athia mucera mwita Thabari amrora muriria atiriri wikitie guku muriria iki Baba yoi uhikitie guku.
But growing old is a privilege that many don't get. Amuno ekinya miaka yota shosho wa to dirago is miraculous. Shosho wa dirago is very coherent. Ona memory yake ri thimathiko ici ni aramatia tugo.
Tena keno content creator.
Ya matiria dirago tugo na gatheka.
No, you can still be a content creator now in America.
And she has very good memory. He maundu he adira go kaigua radio horo wa maundu ma 1930s na ku 40s. Yes. Ona ke tu gutemania kaugo.
Well, he me akokinyaga.
You have nothing to prove to the world. You don't give a hoot how many people judge you. I mean, you've been judged all your life.
Even living on nini ukirari. They don't even judge you.
Exactly.
We let it pass.
You even get to an age there is no one older than you that you know. Wandirangu yukuha. Becha cia uhiye kuhona. Akero tiriri ucuru ukotha cigana pepte kanitha tindigwa kandenyika aragia gune kanitha ti yakwa
ndewika
ndigwa kandenyika ukuha pepte akero cucu ni kimira ni baki uranyu aria maume haria moke mayurie kae thigara o matanyuaga ni akumwone ni ndimikunyagiro oku au yola fatiria ina mera haria mathabahuri aina mera bia kimikunya akiara huka yare inio you watch our TikTok. People don't let us TikTok to show Adirago. Very interesting.
Gathaiya kanitha no ri ari ti horo o wa kuhotha kaiga kanitha no ri maturite mamenyakite no ndire yarika kuma rira mingirire kairitu ire cio da muno me andu makora matie kuga project maiga muradi kanitha no tu ana miradi kuma ndi kairitu
Dirago natu aina dirago ende aturare kwa Karwimbo Mokori aizo ni ale twita tugeithia cucu
ni abatie
yeni tuthio kuria muiga
atuha turugano
Dirago ni wena ya Dirago die moke gundirango Saka modia na kuthie muno to
ni okumanja wohoro
eko tuge kalenda we na he tugwa mataiya Atuga tu matora ya tu nini ti le ko big
tigano horo washana nayo
ya gesimo
le